Here's a scary thought. Every dollar sitting in your bank account is silently losing value every day. Inflation is eating away at your future wealth, and the longer you wait to invest, the harder it becomes to catch up. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to show you how to take control of your money and make it work for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the stock market, but also feel confident enough to start investing today. So let's turn your fear into action and your dreams into plans. The biggest hurdle for most people isn't the stock market itself. It's the fear of starting. Maybe you're worried you'll lose money or that you need thousands of dollars to begin. Let me tell you, those are myths. Investing is one of the most powerful tools to build wealth, and it's simpler than you think. But every day you wait, you're falling behind. The good news? You're here, and you're about to learn how to take your first step toward financial freedom. Quick question. If your future self could talk to you right now, what would they say? Probably something like, stop scrolling and start investing already. Point 1. What is the stock market? Let's start with the basics. The stock market is not a casino, and it's not just for Wall Street pros. It's a marketplace where you can buy tiny pieces of companies, called stocks. When you own a stock, you own a small part of that company, and when the company grows, so does your investment. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. Some might take longer to grow, but with patience, they can yield a big harvest. Historically, the stock market has grown about 7 to 10% annually, even with ups and downs. That's why it's a long-term game. And here's a fun fact. Warren Buffett bought his first stock at 11 years old. But you're not late. You're right on time. But how do you even get started without feeling overwhelmed? Let's break it down. Point 2. Why start now? Timing is everything. And when it comes to investing, the earlier you start, the better. Here's why. The power of compounding. Compounding is when your money earns money, and then that money earns money. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and faster over time. For example, if you start investing $100 a month at age 20, you could have over $500,000 by retirement. Wait until 30, and you'll need to invest twice as much to reach the same goal. Time is your biggest ally in building wealth. So don't let procrastination rob you of your future. Think of it this way. Would you rather let your money sleep in a savings account or put it to work 24/7 like the ultimate hustler? Point 3. How to start investing safely. Now that you're motivated, let's talk about how to start. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard make it easy, even for beginners. Step 2. Start with index funds or ETFs. These are bundles of stocks that give you instant diversification, meaning your money isn't tied to just one company. Step 3. Automate your contributions. Set up a monthly transfer so you're consistently investing without even thinking about it. You don't need to be an expert or have a ton of money to start. Even $50 a month can make a difference. Remember, the goal isn't to time the market, but to spend time in the market. But what about the risks? Here's how to protect yourself and stay in control. Point 4. Managing risks and staying calm. Here's the truth. The stock market will go up and it will go down. But over time, it always trends upward. The key is not to panic during the dips. Think of market drops as sales. When stocks are cheaper, you can buy more. The real risk isn't in investing. It's in doing nothing. Inflation will erode your savings faster than any temporary market dip. The secret? Stay consistent. Stick to your plan and don't check your account every day. It's not a slot machine. Remember, you're in this for the long haul. Imagine selling your stocks in a panic, only to see them skyrocket a month later. Don't be that person. Trust the process. Let's recap. The stock market is your ticket to financial growth. Starting early lets you harness the power of compounding. Diversifying through index funds minimize risk, and staying consistent ensures you ride out the market's ups and downs. Investing is not just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to live the life you want, travel where you want, and retire when you want. The journey starts with one step, and today you've taken that step by learning the basics. Now, it's time to act. Here's the thing. Knowledge is only powerful if you use it. Your next step is to start building daily habits that set you up for success, not just in investing, but in every area of your life. I've created a video on the daily habits of financially successful people that breaks it all down. Click here to watch it now and take the next step toward your wealthy lifestyle. Remember, your future self is counting on you. Don't let them down. Video on the daily habits of financially successful people. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you're always updated when I post more content about personal finance, investing, and building the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Your journey to financial freedom starts here, and I'm excited to be a part of it.